Welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into the art of uncovering profitable niches on Etsy. If you're ready to explore the secrets behind thriving on this platform, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. A growing trend involves people turning their TVs into pieces of hanging art. By displaying an image when the TV is not in use, it transforms into a captivating piece of decor, enhancing the ambiance of your home, rather than remaining a dull black screen. Despite the saturation of the wall art market with numerous competitors, this product distinguishes itself by positioning as TV artwork, offering a unique appeal distinct from traditional printed wall art. When browsing Etsy for TV frame art, it becomes apparent that nearly every listing is adorned with a bestseller or popular label, underscoring the demand within this niche. Despite opening just 9 months ago, this store boasts a diverse array of TV artwork. While its consistent reviews suggest profitability, I seek deeper insights into which listings drive the highest sales. Hence, we turn to Allura to uncover this vital information. To begin, I'll copy the store name and proceed directly to Allura. From the dashboard, I'll access the left menu and opt for Research, then Shop. This action will open up the Shop Analyzer tool. Upon entering the shop's name and clicking Search, we'll gain deeper insights into this shop. For instance, we'll discover that it has accumulated approximately 6,000 sales, resulting in a total revenue of $38,000. We switch to the monthly revenue view. We'll observe that it generates around $4,000 per month. Upon scrolling down, all the listings from this shop become visible. I typically opt to organize them based on monthly revenue, providing insight into the most popular purchases. For instance, one generates $1,700 monthly, another $700, followed by one at $500, and so forth. This approach allows you to delve into these top-selling listings, offering a deeper understanding upon analysis. Another approach I take to identify successful listings involves utilizing Allura's product research tool. This tool requires inputting relevant search terms. For instance, if I'm exploring TV frame art, I'd input terms like TV frame art, frame TV art, TV artwork, or similar variations. Here, within the tool, multiple filters are accessible to fine-tune our search towards the most prosperous listings. We can set parameters such as minimum monthly sales, revenue, listing age, type, and more. With my professional plan, I have the advantage of analyzing over 10 million listings. After clicking search, we'll gain access to thousands of thriving products. Among them, there's one generating $15,000, another yielding $5,000, and many more. Clearly, employing a tool like Allura streamlines your research efforts, guaranteeing that you focus your time on developing products with a track record of success. By the way, add the Allura Chrome extension to your browser if you want to view the earnings, like I'm doing here. And there you have it. The world of TV frame art is brimming with potential, and tools like Allura make it easier than ever to navigate this thriving market. By leveraging insights from Allura, you can ensure that your time and resources are invested in creating products that resonate with customers and drive sales. Thanks for watching.